Well, good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again. You know who it is, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, before we talk about them 3-7 member, yeah, the gang member get gunned down, is really an update. And this happened a while back, but with all the news and crime and killing going in Trinidad, this kind of sweat underneath the table. But before we do that, remember, we have a WhatsApp group right down there. So click on the link. And we have Countryman Canada YouTube channel right down there. Click on the link. And Countryman Canada is brought to you by Countryman and 6 Degrees. And 6 Degrees is over there in Toronto, representing Countryman Canada, bringing us all the knockies and the clappies and all the information on the Caribbean community and beyond. Now let's talk about these guys. Now, these 3 men were gunned down in a place in Trinidad named Maraval. And you see these 3 guys, they are member of the 7 gang. And let me tell you what really happened to them, because altogether, is 4 people, 4 young black men died on February 27. You understand? One of them is from the 6 gang, and 3 of them is from the 7 gang. Yo, this shit makes no sense. But may I try to explain it to you. Now, may I try my best to explain this thing to you. You understand? Now, a shooting happened in 7th Avenue. You understand? When the shooting went down, police went over there and they see a guy by the name of Antonio Minty Trim. Now, Trim was dead and he is a member of the 6 gang. You understand? The police got another report around the same time, little bit after 5:30. You understand? And this was on the 27th of February. That 3 people was also murdered. When the police leave Mr. Trim and went to check out the other 3 men that will get killed over there on Moralda Street and Bearded Street in Maraval, it is 3-7 gang member. So when they shoot Mr. Trim, the 6, other members of the 6 gang was watching the 7 man them when them shoot Trim. The 7 jump in a them car, it was a Nissan X-Trail, and them drive out. But because they didn't know the neighborhood, because they're from Beetham and Lavantel, they're from not that side of town, they were blocked by a white pickup truck. And when the man them blocked them with the truck, they came out and them shoot them up. So the 7, 3 of them member dead. And that's the 3 picture where you see right there. And all of that happened within, I don't want to sound crazy, to be nice, I would say within an hour. Or maybe, to be fair to them, within 2 hours. So by 8 o'clock, all 4 men dead. 1 from the 6 and 3 from the 7. And that is what's going on in Trinidad and Tobago. Now, I want to talk about something else. Now, something weird is going on in Trinidad. Look at the screen in front of you. That's Mathew. And this guy owns an automobile spa, meaning he details auto and all sort of stuff. He has the biggest car show in Trinidad. And believe it or not, somebody went and killed this man. Now, I do have the video of him dead, laying on the ground, but I'm not going to show it in this. If you want to see it, you could click the link down below and log into the WhatsApp group. But everybody in Trinidad is shocked right now over the death of Mathew. And why I'm doing this, I am trying to appeal to the public. So, if you have any information, link me up. You can link me up privately through WhatsApp and let me know what's going on, because this one is mind-boggling. There is couple theories out there, like this one. Now, look at that picture. That was taken, if I'm not lying, the same night when Mathew get fling wet, and he was kissing this young lady, and people are saying, you know, that he is not the guy to be out there kissing up on girls. But what I do notice with Mathew, he do have a lot of sexy girls around him all the time. So one theory is saying maybe he was led away by a female, and some people are saying this girl right here. But I heard from another source with saying that is foolish talk. That's not what happened. So I am keeping my ears to the ground on this one to find out what really happened to this man, because I heard Diego Martin area where he was is a drop zone for drugs. That's what I heard. It's a drop zone for drugs in Diego Martin where he was killed. And the other theory is that maybe he got set up by a sexy girl, because as you can see, this man have a whole bunch of female. Plus I heard he owned some kind of bands or something that is into the carnival thing. So you know enough girl did it so. And with them fat pum pum. Cause I look past some of them and I say, whoa. But anyways, Mathew, them snap him out. And if you look at the trend that's going on in Trinidad, it make the ear of your back of your neck stand up. Django them kill. Them shot Michael St. John, the man who owned the club, the gym, and the clubs. And we can go on and on and on. But this one here is definitely a puzzler. And if anybody have information about this, please contact Countryman. Them kill MK. You understand? The man who run the biggest car show and the biggest auto spa, meaning car detailing and stuff like that in Trinidad. It just doesn't make sense. Anybody with info, I am appealing to you guys. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video and click the notification bell. I'm out.